Okay, here I am in the Volvo, the 99 S70. Well, it has a hesitation on startup. Let's see how it starts today. I guess that's relatively normal. The popping is a loose exhaust manifold because I did the head gasket and didn't get the bolts on like as well as they should be on. So this is my first video where I'm actually talking. Unusual. Anyway, but it has a hesitation when you step on the gas. Well, not so bad today. Just destroying it right now. Not really. That's floored right now. That is floored right now. Well, maybe not. If I go slowly, it'll probably get up to 4,000. Yeah, no problem. But if I stand on it real quick, it just has like a little bit of a hesitation. I'm getting plugs for it today, so we'll see. I got some Iridium NGKs coming today, so we'll see how it does. So, and actually the knock isn't as bad as it was. It was missing a bolt. Anyway, rambling. Anyway, if anybody's got any ideas or any suggestions or anything, or even wants to like give me a couple grand for the car. Anyway, see you in the next one.